Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Changing Variables from Another Python File, a Tutorial. Introduction. In Python, it's common to separate code into multiple files for better organization and modularity. Occasionally, you might need to modify variables from one file in another. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing variables from one Python file to another, providing a clear explanation and practical code examples. Example scenario. Let's consider a simple scenario where you have two Python files, main.py and config.py. The config.py file contains a variable that you want to modify from main.py. Execute the main.py file, and you should see the following output. Explanation. This example demonstrates a simple way to change variables from one file in another. Keep in mind that this approach is suitable for small projects, but for larger projects, you might want to consider using configuration files or other design patterns for better organization and maintainability. ChatGPT.